Assalamualaikum guys. In this particular video, I'll be focusing on one of the basic concept of uh, higher secondary level and this education, that is the number system. So if you're studying in the computer science, it is one of the basic concepts that you have to learn, and it is one of the easiest to concept also at the same time. So before much further ado, let me go to the topic, but subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified with my new videos. So a number system. What does a number system is? Basically a number system. Let's move on to what is the number system is. So numbering system is a way to representing number as the number have to be represented in a way, and that way is called as a number system. And a number system is uniquely identified by its base value, or you can also call it as a radix. And that radix is defined as the count of number of digits in each number system. So if we talk about what does the number system is, it is basically a way to representing the numbers. At the same time, it is uniquely identified by its base value or radix. So, base or radix can also be defined as the count of number of digits of a number system, as I mentioned in the slides. So, let's move towards next and see what's the type of number system we have. So, when it comes to the types of number system, there are four types, namely decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So I will be covering all the four of those in this video, and watch this video till the end until you get all the knowledge of this particular topic. Oh, this must be useful for everything. This is one of the basics concepts, so stay tuned with this video. And let's move on to number one, that is decimal number. So a decimal number, it consists, as I told you, decimal number is consists of zero. As I told you earlier, that number system is a way to represent the numbers, and we have the four types of number systems, right? And that one of the number system is decimal number system, and it consists of 0 1 0 to 9, basically 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and it is 0 up to 9. And the uniquely identified number is 10. The base value, or you can also call it as radix, is 10. So when we talk about the decimal number system, it is one of the oldest and most popular number system in our day-to-day life. And in the position of number system, each decimal digit is ranked relative to its position in the number. So this means that each digit in the numbers is multiplied by 10 raised to the power corresponding to that digit position. So a number system can be 0 to 9 and identified by a uniquely identified by 10. So this is how our decimal number system is. Let's move on to another types of this number system, that is binary number system. So when it comes to binary, it is one of the most popular number system that can be used in every computer programming language. So binary number, there are two digits of only, as I mentioned in these slides, that is, there are only two digits in the binary number system. They are namely 0 and 1. So it can't be go much further beyond 1, and it can't go much decrease to 0 and leads to, and it can't go minus because it will be there in 0 and 1 itself. As I mentioned in the example, that is 11100011101, and that is the way of representing number, and that number is known as binary number system. As the word binary, that means the two digits, the two, only the two one. So that is going to be a binary number system. If we see what is MSB, most significant bit is the first digit of the binary number system is known as the most significant bit, and the last number, that is the last number, as in the example 1, this least significant bit, that's 2 are known as the least significant bit. So there are only two digits, as I told you, that is 0 and 1. The numbers in the binary number system are represented to the base 2. As I'm forgotten to mention there, that is, it has the base of 2, and the position multipliers are the powers of 2, and it will be done the powers of 2. So the leftmost significant bit, that is least significant bit, as I told you in the beginning. So that's how about number system, binary number system. Let's move on to another, that is the octal number system. So octal number system uses digits like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It is 8 digits. It is not using the 8, but it is using 0 instead of that. So you can say base or radix is 8. As I told you earlier, that base or radix can be defined by the number of the how much number are there in the number system, and that is defined as the base or radix. So that's how about the octal number system. Let's move on to the last one, that is the hexadecimal number system. So a hexadecimal number system is a number system, and it has the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. I forgotten there is 8, and 8 also included in that list, 8, 9. And also at the same time it has A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F, up to F. So it has the base or radix 16, as I told you earlier, that how much number of it contains, that will be represented in the base or radix. So a hexadecimal number is represented using the 6 base 6, as I told you. Hexadecimal or hex numbers are used as a short or form of binary sequence, as 0 to 9 is decimal number system. A to F is more added to a hexadecimal number system, as the word hexa is defined to be the 6th decimal number, so that's why it has a base 16. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this video with all of your friends, families. Share the knowledge, gain much more the knowledge. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much. I'm signing off this video, and pleasing you to subscribe this channel. At the same time, click on the bell icon. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you very much.